this?
Oh!
Let's see.
Whoa. New truck.
New truck?
And a new plane.
I think that's a submarine. Yeah, that's a submarine.
You can hold this
So it's like a boat that goes underwater. Here, I'll hold this one.
Oh, this one.
Y'all just give me what you want me to hold.
Look at this one.
Here,
These
put it
are
right
all
here.
cool green toys.
Wow.
Means that they're friendly for the environment.
That's great.
A boat.
More? Is that it? There's more?
Look, another boat.
Another boat.
Look. I can some more.
Well, let's put them here.
I do tiny scissors.
You have tiny scissors?
Yeah, I have tiny scissors.
There you go.
And also this one we have.
They're very easy to open. They don't have any like
Look,
those little like
this one
bands
can't come
sometimes
off.
toys come
This
with.
one can't come off, but I'm.
There you go. You're really strong.
How can these cones come out?
All right, so we're gonna move the cardboard. And then we're gonna pull the car out.
Whoa,
And then
is that magic?
it's yes. Okay. So then, hold on, let's see. I think they're stuck. There we go. One car. And the other car.
Whoa.
So what a ferry boat does is it takes people from land and then it takes them to another part of land. But they can also go with their cars in it. So they put their cars in the boat and the boat goes across the water to another island.
Actually, this is a truck.
Okay.
No,
It's so cute.
no.
What?
I did it rip. I did it rip. I did it rip.
It didn't rip. Look, hold on. Let's see. Let's just see how it screws on. Okay, I think it just.
No, I just popped.
There we go. There, it just popped off. Exactly.
I just popped
It
off.
just popped off.
I don't
You want to open that one? All right.
I'm
Okay.
a good breaker.
You're a good breaker. Are you like the Hulk?
I put a new car. I put a new car.
Put a new car in. There you go.
Now
All right, pull it out carefully. You don't want
Yeah.
to break it. Ta-da! Let's see. This is a recycling truck.
I can put it. It's open. Look, I can't open. How can that open?
Here, look. This one, it comes off here.
Look at the mouse. That's a mouse.
We're
What
gonna
mouse?
open toys and
This
stuff.
one. This one mouse. No, I need.
All right.
Poop.
You want to pull it out, Dashie?
I can pull it.
Wait, let's let Dashie pull it out.
I'm a good pull out one.
You're a good puller outer.
Yeah. But I'm not good to good pull out
Oh, wait, hold on. I think we're gonna have to pop it up this way. There we go.
No, these are.
Soni, what was your favorite toy when you were growing up?
This one more.
I'm trying to think. I know my brother was really big on Legos. I had Webkins. I was very big on Webkins. I had a giant collection and I would play online. I think when I was a child, that's when like kind of computer games were a thing. So I didn't play much. I did play with my brother's Legos a couple
I have
times.
the knife.
And Nerf guns. Those were
That's
were
not
a good
knife,
pastime.
That's scissors.
Let's not. I think we can open this one without the scissors.
Good call.
So it dumps things.
Dumps.
So like, yeah, if you put like a car in it, it's not what they normally do. You put a car in it.
I'm not this dumps.
Yeah.
I'm
So
not
like, if we were going to recycle this, they would drive somewhere and then go. Oh. You can dump it if you need to. We don't even need the truck. Good. See, he's already learning. Because it's paper, yeah, it can be recycled.
Recycle.
All of this could be recycled and then used for something else.
Recycle.
That's why these
Good
green
job.
toys are so cool.
Recycle. Recycle.
Recycle.
I like this one the
You can
best.
fit a lot in there.
You like the recycle truck the best?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
It is
Recycling is very important for the environment.
They both
They both can dump.
Yeah.
But that one's for recycling.
Yeah.
See, look, and there's different containers here
put one
for
up
paper
here, one
and for
down
cans
here,
and bottles.
and one
So you
up
see how
here.
there's 3 different ones?
I put one up here and one up here and down here and down here.
Oh, look. Oh, you put them down there. But look here.
Look, I put.
You can open this, and then there's one more car in there.
Look.
We didn't see that car before. That was a
Look.
secret car. What
Look.
is that?
So people can't see it.
So people can't see it.
Well, can people see it?
Well, they can if they look through the window, but they have it under there so they have more room to hide cars.
They match.
But if you put the cars on top, I think they'll fall off. So those cars look good, and this is perfect. Then it's off. But then if these cars get off, and they're like all good. Oh wait, look here. And they're like, oh, we're done, we're done, we're done. Then those cars can get on and drive up.
What goes in here?
People.
I'm not there. Who drives it? A captain?
A captain, exactly. And then it has its crew members.
What is this? That's how they get in?
They get in? Okay, let's find out. There we go. See, look. Then people can get in there.
I don't know.